So yesterday, every time I would shut the machine off and start it, I'd have to jump it. The batteries read good, 12 volts each. The alternator is putting out 24 volts. You'll see a video that I posted where I checked that out. But for some reason, when I go to start it, I'm not getting enough juice to the starter, which leads me to believe there's a loose wire, and I have narrowed it down to this wire here is loose on its terminal. So I'm gonna tighten that up and see if that fixes the problem. Now what I'm gonna do now, just to make sure that my batteries are good, is I'm gonna check the voltage at each battery, which I should get 12. Then I'm gonna check the voltage with both batteries, and I should get 24. So you see that battery's reading good, 12 volts. I'm in the green. That battery's reading good. 12 volts in the green. Now checking them seriously, my charger only goes up to 16 volts, but you see it's reading well above that. And then when I put a load on it, I'm still good for the load, so it's not the batteries that's causing the problem. Which leads me to believe that there's a loose wire somewhere. And as I showed you just a minute ago, I think it's that wire that's going to the solenoid. Now the breather tube is in the way, so it might be a little hard to see, but again, this is a wire that's loose, and I guess the nut backed off from all the vibration. So I'm gonna tighten it down and see if that doesn't solve the problem. That's a 3/8 nut on there. See if we can get it to focus. No, it doesn't want to focus. Try it again. Again, that's 3/8 nut. That's just on the tip of that thing. All right. Now she's on there tight. Let's see if we can get it started. Nope, that ain't it. Well, folks, I found the culprit, and it indeed was a bad battery. Now, I reckon it was a cold snap that messed up one of the cells, but my window is still green. So I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, see that little green? So battery's still reading good, and it's holding 12 volts. You saw me run the test. It's reading in the green, but as you watch, I went and I cleaned all the wire connections, unscrewed them, tightened them, cleaned them, put them back in, sprayed them down, and I'm still getting the same thing. It would turn over once and then drag, and it just running down that rabbit hole of the wires. I came back and said, gotta be the batteries, because that's a new starter as well. Matter of fact, I need to see if this battery is still on the warranty, see if I can find the paperwork. Because I put new batteries, put a new starter on there, put new batteries in here, and put a new switch in here. After this thing sat for like 2 years out in the woods. But when I came back and I ran a load, it came back below a week down in the bag. So I pulled another battery out of one of my other trucks, stuck it in there, and I'll show you what happened. And you see I didn't even have to heat it. It fired right up. So I'm gonna leave this battery in here and try to remember where I got this battery from. I don't know if it was Interstate or Northern Virginia Supply, and see if this battery's still on the warranty and get it replaced, and then put this in the truck that I took that battery out, or just swap them back. Don't make a difference. But problem solved. 941 is back to what it's supposed to be doing. Glad I got that solved. Electrical problems, they drive me up the wall all the time, because there it's just troubleshooting, and you got to go from one thing to the next. And I say everything looks good about this battery, but battery's no good. So thank you for watching the video. Please comment down below if you have any worthwhile comments. If you like the video, click the like button. Definitely click the subscribe button. So I'd like to see you come back to the video. And if you got any questions out there, just hit me up. Thanks, and I'll holler at you later.